New auto transmission fluid exchanger GD-606 and GD-505. Based on the needs of consumers, we have designed these two items to achieve the needs of automatic transmission fluid change. Usually people change the fluid with the traditional method by hand. It made the hand dirty and it can't fully change the used oil from the transmission. There is still a part of the used oil inside of the transmission which cannot be removed under the traditional method. GD-606 has loaded a set of air pressure system that can easily change the fluid. With only few click on the screen, it is able to run the exchange program without any other movement. The air pressure system is inhaling the old oil and pressuring the new to replace it. You can see the sight tube on the top of the machine. It provides visual of new and used oil. And the middle sight window to check the used and new oil level. The rotatable tube devices help to avoid curling and worming of the tubes. Automatically identify flow direction, easy and convenient. The machine with a detachable hoses holder which can suit for the user with different in height. Special design of the back door leaves more storage space for tools and parts. GD-505 is controlled by pressing the button. GD-606 is for touch screen and with database printer and new oil heating function. Auto transmission fluid exchanger is able to release yourself from the oil and bring the efficient to your work.